when your driver forgets to set his brakes. Oh, man. Well, I just went to Velocity and got a new bumper, so I got to take off the old one and put the new one on. Gotta remove these bolts, and I gotta remove these bolts. Probably need 3/8 sockets, so I'll just pull this whole drawer out and take it with me. And I'll get my impact drill. Got my 3/8 adapter for my impact drill. Let's see what socket I'm gonna need. 5/8. Oh, that can't reach. I'm gonna do that one on the inside with an actual ratchet. Yep. Okay. Oh, I gotta get the other bolts out of this side right here. Trash. And yeah, it slides right out. Actually, I'm gonna keep it in so I can take off my license plate real quick. Oh crap. I gotta go back to the dealership and get one of these for the other side. Damn it. Yep.
One eternity later.
Went all the way back to the dealership just for this. Okay, I gotta take off these 4 bolts. What is this? 9/16. I don't think I have a big enough wrench. Oh, 9/16. Yep, that's it. Alright, washer on the nut. There. Just gotta do this last one. There. Now I should be able to just slide the new bumper in. But I gotta assemble the bumper first. But this thing looks a little crooked compared to the other side. So I'm gonna try to straighten that out. Because this is straight up and down along with this line right here. And the other side is pushed back a little bit. So I'm gonna try to see if I could loosen these bolts. And hopefully it'll be able to turn a little bit. Those bolts are 3/4. Yeah, it's just these three. Gotta get a hammer. Good enough. Try to assemble it so it's on top of the bubble wrap so I don't scratch up the bumper. Step 1, remove bolt. Step 2, remove bolt. Step 3, insert side into the center section. Step 4, clip tab, 3 of them. Alright, it said I was supposed to remove something. Oh, that. Perfect size. What is this? A T30. One set at a time, so I'm just going to do that. That one almost got cross-threaded. I just had to do that one over again. scratched up on the damn rocks. Shit. Probably have to hit it with some spray paint. That just broke. Alright, whatever. Check all the screws. Alright, let's move all these tools out of the way. Stop. Alright, here's the fun part. That would have been bad. Now I just gotta open up, put those bolts back on.